Hey guys, we're gonna reset the maintenance light on 2016 to 2020 Tacoma. Very simple. That's all you do is you go to your buttons here on the cursor, and you're looking at the display right in the center of your dash where it says the I. That's for information. What you do is you just toggle through that information until you get to this one. Says no message on your caution, but you go to settings and you push your center button to bring up your settings, and then you scroll down with your lower button and you keep scrolling down until you get to maintenance reset. Oops, a little too far. Then you hit the center button. It says reset maintenance reminder, and you say yes. You hit yes, and it says maintenance reset complete, and that's it. So you just use your little cursor here on your steering wheel, and then when you want to get out of here, you use your back button, get out, and then you can go back to your pages. This is your pages button, and basically go back to the first page, which is Speedo. Hope this helps, guys. Got any questions or comments, leave them in the box below. I'll be happy to answer for you. Take care. Have a good one.